Okay, so we're talking about the edge milling currently. It's one of the biggest competencies that come from Linsinger. Basically, we're talking about large plates that you don't have another way of prepping the edges before they have to be joined together to make things like containers, ships' hulls, wind towers, things like that.
What's happening here? Because this is something I'm not used to seeing as well in this area.
This is, the tooling obviously, as you can imagine, is huge. So obviously there's a lot of carbide, tangentially mounted inserts within these tools. So what Linsinger have actually done is they've created a robot to do the hard work. So there's a lot
because
of
you're continually changing inserts if
Absolutely.
you didn't have a robot, wouldn't you?
Absolutely.
So this speeds up the process no end, I can imagine.
The main thing is we've got two major areas. We have the demonstration area here where we do training. We have attached training rooms, conference rooms that we can split and change as we need. And then the other half is the warehousing where we bring machines in, prepare them, we train new engineers, we do the odd second-hand refurbishment, really whatever's needed.
And then the kind of team behind the scenes in the offices, who are they?
Yeah, so we have diagnostic engineers for the service line. We have 3 people there. At the moment, we are mixing between remote and in the office. And then we have the application support line as well. So if anyone has any programming challenges they want us to help them with, they're always online, they're always available, and they can help with whatever's needed.
So this kind of sits in the middle, doesn't it? You probably can't pull the bar through the length of a 3-metre bar feed, but this is brilliant for shorter bars and bar ends, and for people that haven't got the room for a bar feeder.
Yeah, it depends on the size of your machine. You can put the bar same length as your machine, and so you don't need to have a bar feeder on the outside taking all up the space.
So, of course, you've been with ETG, what is it, 8 years now?
Yeah, 8 years, started off as an apprentice, came straight in from doing my A-levels, and I've been here ever since.
So what is it you're looking forward to then?
I think just finding out the new technologies and what everybody else has to offer. Obviously, I've been looking at ETG's product range, and there's so much more out there to get my head into.
Because you know so much about all of these products, and for you personally, I guess that's going to help you grow, and you'll know the right technical questions to ask. And what do you think you're going to bring to the role then?
I just think a little bit of excitement, a little bit of knowledge, and a little bit of, I don't know, a little bit of me, really.
Well, I've been in the machine tool trade over 35 years. This is one of the machines that's by far the easiest, best machines to program, easy to work with. It's just a small little workhorse, especially the VM5, especially for second ops, small machines. Get this machine and you will be happy you chose this machine. Part of this, the reason is the conversational control. It makes programming as easy as 1, 2, 3, and it's not just a saying as 1, 2, 3, it is as easy as that. It asks you questions, anybody who can answer questions can do this machine. If you can read a simple drawing by X and Y and Z, that's it.
Jeff, how important is finance when you're buying a machine tool?
Well, it's a well-known factor, it's a key factor, it's very, very important.
And
I'm in Zeiss in Rugby, where I'll be joined by Jay, the measuring hero from Germany, and we're going to be reviewing the all-new ODetect.
We're here in Leicestershire at the headquarters of the EDM specialists, Eurospark. We're going to find out a little bit more about the company, how 2020 was for them, and also what their customers have to say.
Well, this is where it gets embarrassing. For good reason. I have certain obsessions. I won't hide them. They're not OCD type stuff. They are, if I'm going to have DJ kit, I want the exact DJ kit I want because of the way I work. If I've got a car, now, I've got a problem with cars, because with a car you're always buying somebody else's interpretation. But I'm very passionate about turning stuff into as best it can be.